newborn. Okay, let's go. I'm not gonna sing because they might tell me, no, you can't put it. So,
Instagram, yay.
all right. So Emily,
Hi.
what are we doing today?
Oh, today we are having fun. So we are always making creams and we're always just making these new products for you.
Yes,
but
we are, ladies.
Today we are going to show you how to kind of do something at home. Make something that you can just pull from the kitchen cabinet, hopefully. And you can just create a face mask.
Yes.
And what else can we create with this?
We can create face mask and a hair mask.
A hair mask as well too.
Okay.
So the two most important parts, it's usually what people see of you when they first look at you, is your face and your hair. So we're going to help one that helps restoring your hair growth, and then also the other one with the face that just helps it, I don't know, get it all luscious and beautiful, vibrant for the holidays. So
exactly.
Yeah.
And so guess what? Did you know that chocolate is that ingredient that it has been used by the Aztecs, so the Indians, for a very long time. It was considered to be like a nectar, okay? And the cocoa itself is what you need to try to get a hold of. Because the chocolate, that's not, I don't know exactly the English word, that hasn't been processed, let's just put it that way. So because if it doesn't get processed, that means that it gets to keep all of its natural ingredients that actually do something. Did you know that chocolate has magnesium?
I did not.
And magnesium, what it does is that it helps people to relax. If you are older and there's even women who are in menopause can take magnesium to help them relax. But it also helps the hair to grow thicker.
So it gets
And
down
that's
to the
one of the mats.
follicles and
It gets
everything.
down into the follicles. You put that in. There are ingredients out there such as the vitamin B's that make the hair grow longer. But what we're always looking for is the hair to grow thicker. And so with this little DIY mask that we're going to make today with the unrefined chocolate, here these are some bars. I'm sure you can find them in the health food section. Okay, we're going to use some chocolate that we are going to take one of these and put it in our nice holiday bowl, okay? Along with either some coconut oil or you can put 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil.
Can you see it? No, you can't. Dang it.
Yeah, you can. You can and you can't.
Okay. So what are we going to use for the coconut oil?
2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Okay.
Well, this is a tablespoon.
Yeah,
so
well,
here we
just
go.
put that.
Okay, we're fine.
We should be okay.
So like 1.
1.
You know, real chemists, we never measure, so it's fine. Also, real cooks never measure, so I don't know why we're telling you everything.
You eyeball it. That's what it's called. Eyeballing.
And then you taste it. No, you don't taste it. You don't taste.
Yeah,
that's cooks, not
that's
chemists.
going to be fun. And then we have some MCT oil. I'm sure that you guys have heard of MCT oil. That is actually going to make, it's medium chain triglyceride. And so what it's going to do is add shine and luster to your hair.
Ooh,
so
that's what we want.
You've heard people talk about keto, this and that. So this is one of the ingredients that people are using a lot these days as far as losing weight in their keto diet.
Nice. And you know, that's important because the holidays, everyone wants to lose weight. So just add a little bit.
There you go.
All right. Do you want me to do
inside and out? Go ahead.
How much?
Just 1.
Just 1 tablespoon?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, 1 tablespoon, somewhat measured. There we go. All right, what is next for us?
And now, another key ingredient is aloe. I mean,
Ooh,
believe it or
aloe.
not, it helps the skin. We know it a lot for skin, but it has so many minerals in it that it helps the hair too. And so, do you have some aloe?
I do actually in our garden. Plants are power, first of all.
Yes,
so
they
we
are.
just went and picked this in the garden that we have here at the lab. We have a bunch of aloe plants and a bunch of different succulents. If you don't know, a lot of our ingredients are made from actual plants. So it's really cool. Plants have a lot of power in them, and they're really, really great. Aloe can do so much from you and for you, and from preventing sunburns or helping
Yes.
relieve them. There's
It's
so
a
many
habit
other
in our house. When we come home from the sun, if we've been to the beach, even if we wore sunscreen all day long, we can take just a little bit of the aloe plant, cut it, remove the skin, and then just put it directly onto your skin, and it's going to help relieve your skin. Always keep an aloe plant in your life.
Yes.
If in your house or in your life, if you know that you like to use natural things. So what we're gonna do is remove. You can't wait.
It is
can you?
literally, I mean, this should just be your next product. Just put this on.
Just put it directly on.
Just
I'll
put
just
it directly
sell you the aloe
Literally,
plant.
it has its own application. It's called like the leaf itself. Yeah, it's great.
Yes.
And
And
all
so,
right, so
we
we're
take
putting the
a
whole leaf.
knife. No, we take a knife and we remove a little bit. This one I'll do.
Okay.
Okay.
She doesn't trust
As
me.
you. I don't want any accidents here
No.
today, okay? Because these are the holidays and we want to spend them at home with the family.
How long has it been
And
since
not-
your last accident? Turns it back to 1. Or 0. That's what it is. 0 days
Yeah.
since the last
So,
accident.
yeah, 0 days.
Right? So here, show this to them so they can see what the
You
aloe
see
looks.
how much this,
That
the
plant, almost all
inside,
of it.
it's thick, it's luscious, and it's got all of the vitamins that you can think of
Oh my God,
to
it's crazy.
nourish your hair.
It's crazy.
And so what we're going to do is...
And your skin.
Your hair and your skin, of course.
And actually, once you put aloe on, it tightens up your face a little bit too.
Yes, it
It's
actually
natural
has
Botox.
natural Botox. And so now we're gonna mix all of this in together, but we have to melt it. So we're gonna go put it either in the microwave, which I don't like putting things in microwave, but for quick purposes that we want to show them, we're gonna actually put this in the microwave
Okay,
for a couple of minutes.
perfect.
Okay,
Right,
and
well-
we'll be right back. So yeah, and so we're back.
We're back.
With our nicely melted cocoa mask. And what? Remember what did we put? We have aloe.
Oh wait,
We have
aloe.
we have coconut oil, pure organic, and MCT oil. And then now we melted it for a couple of minutes, and this is what it
2
looks like.
minutes.
2 minutes in the microwave, okay? We don't want to put any more. If you can, the ideal situation, if you have time, is to put this mixture within a hot water bath, because that's what's going to keep all of the ingredients with their natural, and nothing is going to melt down or break down, shall we say, okay? So now you can use this mask, put it in your hair, all over. We have a contestant, a model, and here he is.
Come on
okay,
down.
he
Fine
is
sir from the audience.
so happy to be here.
Freshly shaved.
Freshly shaved, and he has a little bit of issues already, okay, with hair loss. So what's gonna happen is that this mask is going to help you. Do it twice a week. Put it on for 20 minutes, okay? Just go in with your fingers. Of course, it's still a little warm, so you're gonna get it warm, that it's gonna melt and go into your follicles, all right? Just go like this. If you can, do it the old-fashioned way. I take a plastic bag and I wrap it over my head,
I'm trying to get the full view.
okay? For 20 minutes to make sure that it stays warm. And then That way the magnesium, the selenium, and everything else that chocolate contains will go straight into your scalp, open up the follicles. And then after 20 minutes, you go and you rinse. So we're gonna find a plastic bag, or if you have some kind of plastic to wrap, we do it the old-fashioned way, okay? Recycle, reuse, reduce. And so, here we go.
Tag on it. Okay.
Very easy, girls. I mean, you don't have to go invest a whole bunch of money. And guys, okay, because look who's our model. So we can't discriminate. Very easy. There you go. Voila. Twice a week. Once a week if you don't have time. But you're going to see a difference. Because trust me, I've been doing some magnesium straight. I've been taking it inside and I've been putting in my hair. And it's been amazing at the growth. Like I said, it's not just growing it. It's making it thicker.
Yes.
And that's what we want.
So a lot of women have problems with the hair thinning, or you know, everyone kind of gets those little places when they have their ponytail up high, so it's great to put it in those too. So
exactly.
Not just for holes in the hair, but to add thickness as well too.
So that's our first DIY